What's up, guys? See the top of my head today. Got a little different setup today, kind of trying to simple it up, keep it simple, kind of help you guys out. And I'm trying to keep it simple too. Right now, try to explain this a little bit. We have our footprint, which is pretty straightforward. We have our DOM, which I'm going to start keeping up, and then our time of sales. Time of sales was good. I caught the low down here when we started getting loaded up right before 8. But this kind of helps at 4783. Had a 400 lot order. You tell, just basically tell which side's doing what. 4785 has that 400 lot order. Did not see that earlier. But also pretty interesting right here, 4776. We have pretty, pretty decent negative delta. They tried pushing it down. I'm watching this area here, MOC Friday. See what happens to those, sellers or buyers relieving their position. Don't forget, Apex is doing their 1 day 2 pass. Ooh, we got 400, 400, and 410. So a little interesting what they're doing right here. Twitter. It's kind of nice waking up and catching oil news. Like first thing, waking up and seeing oil news. That was quite enjoyable. So, no, no. Friday value area high for 776. Value area low 4782. 62. Right, POC 4767. Well, I could go to the right. Yeah. Right. So if we do want to get a rotation down, we'll see us go into break by Friday's value area high. Something I kind of watch is the 80% rule. So if we close a 15-minute bar in that value area high, we have an 80% chance to rotate down to the value area low. So 47.62. Got it 18 points. Not bad. You drawing? Good job. You have over 5 minutes. Here's a play I like to watch. Is when you have this strong negative delta. It's just red. And you have it like, I like around 2000 or more. Nice strong push down. And then basically watch the lows. If they're not able to push past the lows, especially on point figure, they'll definitely push it up. So usually when this point figure chart opens, I kind of watch the POC. So I would have taken a play. Would have taken a long there. 78, 83. Pretty decent risk versus reward. The 4800 lot went away. Looks like they split up. I'll be right back. If you guys can hit that like button, if you guys aren't subscribed, greatly appreciate the subscription. Overnight POC. We're basically going to open up an overnight POC. Monday, no real news. I think there's 10 o'clock some real estate news. Nothing really. So of course Monday is usually collect data. Don't go crazy. Just kind of watch. You know, be nimble. Be smart. Five-day POC is 4606. The 20-day chart's messing up. The rollover messes up a lot of charts on Motivewave, which kind of sucks. Yeah, 1 minute. The video did break its downtrend I was watching. I wish I would have done during market hours. This is the first day after quad witching, so possibly a little pump of volume to get the start the day off. Also, Santa Claus Rally. You gotta remember, Santa Claus Rally is the last 5 trading days of the year, which technically I think it starts Thursday. Point figure. Now my point figure is different on different charts. Market is open. I'm not in any rush to get into a play. Because that's not point figure. They're still different. Meta, like Lizzie. There we go. That's one better. Is that negative delta? Taking that next one at POC. Push up 5, basically 6 points. Meta over 2 levels. Wow. AMD down. Everything else seems to be going up. 49. Look at this big volume at the high where trap buyers are. These guys might be a little stuck. Had that X40 call. last week. X is like at 55 probably. Steel had bought some company. Yeah, it's kind of fake wicking that downtrend I have. I kind of have a downtrend. Apple's halting the Apple Watch sales. And Q wicked that high, that push up end of day, and coming down hard. Right here, that's 1197. Positive delta volume. So they need to get past that 1213 now. Should see a nice move up. And he wick down back up. Tesla, huge wick down and up. AMD is the only one that's kind of not looking so good. At 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 100. Watching that. I don't like taking, that might be sell orders for these people. Not the biggest fan taking a long into that. Hopefully the stream's better. I kind of downsized what I'm streaming. I could get better quality. Let me see the delay. Five-second delay. Tesla runner, it should be hitting 100%. Close to it. So at 50, 50, 50, they all went away. They ain't liking this level right here. 47.85. There you go, push up. I'm watching this number 21.75. Watching that increase. I want these numbers to increase, showing delta coming in. I really do like Meta, but I do not want to chase that. Still 1080. It's a little blurry. It's not bad. You can still see the numbers. Still working on all the settings. They go above that level. The right side, you want to see different colors. You want to see greens, 400%. Gold is 500% imbalance. So they're relieving those trap buyers. See if they can push up. If not, looks like they're just going to bring it right back down. So I got that 100 to get through. Had a strong move up on Delta. Couldn't push, so if they make a new point and figure, definitely gonna be watching this level. Watching that POC. I'm not 100% sure on the point and figure. I think it needs to drop 5 points from the high. So 87. It needs to get 82 before it makes a new one. No, because that's not really a. Maybe it's 3 points. 7, 4. So it needs to go to 4 to make a new candle. See what it looks like on a different time frame. Strong move up. So basically the breach, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this grain. Basically where the top and bottom of this candle is what I'm watching. Strong move up on Delta, pretty much absorbed. Absorbed by a passive seller. Different time frames. No new point and figure candle yet. $4K tick kind of helps out. Shows pretty decent. with strong sellers. As we move up, you want this right side to continue. Go to strong buyer there, and you can tell it kind of faded away. And so we're kind of fading down. See if they could push up. New point figure. Candle. See how they trap that high. So what was this POC? Little push up. This candle's green, negative delta. Just watching this number right here, basically -3, -4. It's getting stronger and stronger. But with delta, like, just because negative delta's coming in, are we moving down? Are they being rewarded for buying, or are they selling into passive buyers? That's what we're trying to figure out right here. It hit that, basically hit that other POC. I want to see if it breaks above or breaks below. Once it gets, I think, 8 points away, or 8 ticks, and there's a strong imbalance, it'll pop this line up. So this is just saying on the bid side, this 553 seller kind of trapped. Tesla staying strong. NQ kind of just chilling. AMD bounced. Apple still selling. Microsoft turned down. See how that turned positive? That's what I like to see. So it's kind of a no-no candle. Nothing really happened. They just fought. Basically balanced. Let's see what happens there. Point figure. I like to, play downtrends on the point figure. We kind of go back. This was Friday. All this sideways action, like right here. Played that breakout. Nice move up. Right here. Play that breakdown. Nice move. Apple's about to hit its weekly estimated move to the downside. It is news based though. There's your, that's an impulse high right here. So that pushed up, we had two double zeros. I want to see the reaction to that. If they're able to push it back up again. Especially with a buyer, you can tell a buyer tried pushing up. I'm just showing, you know, the way I explain it's like a car auction. Like they're trying to, you know, person wants to buy it, but they need someone to sell it to at this high price. If they don't have anyone to sell it to, they're going to bring the price down. Not sure about the reason. I didn't see the news. Models to be affected. It's just in US, which is interesting. Oil's still going. Man, I wish I held. I was in at like 72. Strong move up. Next two candles, really not doing much. 21 delta. This is 188. Look at the 1 minute. See what the 1 minute's doing. There's a seller trying to come in, but not really doing a good job. Let's go to 5 minute. At double 400s. They'll probably go away though. We're still stuck at 47.85, same area. Oh, it's nice positive delta up here. I need to change that color. It should be green. There's really no big orders below. Let's go find a wall. No, nothing really. but we're also basically nothing happening right now. Delta sideways. No really big players coming in here. Tech seems stronger. I think oil's kind of holding up ES. So far, 7-point range. Individuals just look strong, but ES is just kind of just chilling, struggling a bit. Does that bounce off that previous trap seller? So I got that 400 up there. Delta's starting to look decent. They added 1,000 Delta since this move up. $120 seller, 47.84, 75. The highlighted ones are above the ask or above the bid, so definitely strength into that. Yeah, EOS is just chilling. There's really nothing going on. I'll expect lunch. There's no news. Individuals are going. You know, Q's just made a new high. Nvidia almost made a new high. Meta, Tesla pushed off open. No news. Monday's usually Doji day. They're pushing it up. I'm kind of loading too many charts. That's why it's kind of going right here. Tried loading my daily one. Daily footprint takes a lot of data. And there's a pop. They rebalanced that out. Nice move. No throwing. There's a nice move. Hold on, I'll get it for you, buddy. He's come back. Did he go? Double 400, I guess, went away. One got filled, 87. Right, hopefully it comes back. Motivewave just uses a ton of data, especially looking at these farther out things. I'm actually going to reset it. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna put on the intro. Only issue with sometimes with Motivewave, I try to do too much. Where'd it go? All right, we're back. There's that beautiful move up, came down, got that 21 minus 38, and they started coming in here. And those are the buyers came in strong. See if they can maintain. Last week's high is 47.91.75. I was getting nervous when I see these big orders kind of at the highs. Looking like a little trap. Tesla about 120%. Nice imbalance right here of buyers, buyer delta. See what they do at the 400. 47.90.25. Last week's high 47.91.75. That 400 was taken out. Brought the price up, bring the price down. Let's see what the next reaction is at 47.90 and a half right here. It seems like the move's not going to be straight. That's the biggest issue we've had. Until we made a move up, move down. I mean, we have nice positive delta here, negative delta here, positive delta above. Tesla new high. Microsoft looks like it's going for a new high. So 4 out of 5 days last week, we took our initial balance, which is our first hour from 9:30 to 10:30, high to low. And every time, 4 out of 5 days, not every time, 4 out of 5 days, we doubled that initial balance. I'm going to keep that theme on watch. And Q 5-minute was a doji at the highs. Staying up, staying above POC. That's the key for a nice continuation up. And Q seems to be struggling. See, we had that. This is why I like point and figure. I wish I could get it on trading view. It doesn't work out properly. It can't move up. Just take the breakout of this strong move up candle. That's the direction we're going. 87 to 91. 2 to 3 lots and you're golden. Seller at the high. Decent push down. So strong delta. Let's see if they make a new point and figure. NQ doji broke down. It's kind of ugly. New point figure. Let's watch that VWAP. Trap buyer tag. Let me go ahead and end the stream.